Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are going to make soy pickled eggs. This is what you will need. 1 liter of ice cold water, 70 grams of sugar, 100 ml of Japanese sake, 100 ml of soy sauce, 100 ml of mirin, and 4 eggs. The first step is to boil a pan of water, then carefully put your eggs in and boil them for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, carefully remove the eggs and put them into the ice-cold water. Refrigerate for at least 15 minutes. Now it's time to make the pickling sauce. Put the sake, mirin, sugar, and soy sauce into a pan and bring to the boil. Stir until the sugar has dissolved and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to evaporate the alcohol. Now carefully put the eggs into the sauce. Refrigerate for at least 12 hours. Turn the eggs now and again for an even color. These have been in the fridge overnight. This is what the egg looks like now. The yolk should be a little runny. You can use these in ramen or on rice. いただきます。Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.